Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to reveal the latest techniques hackers are using to gain access to Roblox accounts, and more importantly, how you can protect yourself from falling victim to these tricks. Quick disclaimer before we begin. This video is made purely for educational and awareness purposes. The goal here is to help you understand how hackers operate so that you can recognize their methods and defend against them. I do not encourage, promote, or support any kind of illegal activity. Remember, attempting to hack or steal someone else's account is not only unethical, but also a serious crime that can get you banned from Roblox permanently and even face legal consequences. Everything I'm going to show you today is done in a safe, controlled environment for demonstration only. Please use this knowledge to strengthen your security, protect your accounts, and stay one step ahead of cybercriminals. Now let's get started. Let's first open the terminal and launch the demo. The tool we are going to use here is called phishing. Let's run it and see what's next. As you can see in the terminal, there are multiple website templates available, each designed to impersonate popular platforms. Hackers use these templates to trick users into handing over their credentials. For this demo, I'll select template number 35, which is specifically designed for Roblox phishing. Finally, we need to choose the server to host the fake login page. Since this is just a demonstration and I'm doing it within my own PC, I'll select localhost, which is option number 1. Now the tool is prompting me to send this fake login page link to the target. In this part, hackers often copy the fake link and send it to their targets, especially through a phishing email. But for demonstration purposes, I'll just copy the link and open it in my browser. Instantly, you can see the terminal logs a connection. The fake Roblox login page looks almost identical to the real one, with fields to enter both username and password. For example, I'll type in Johnson1664 and enter a random password. Now let's hit enter. And there it is. The moment the victim submits their login info, both the username and password are instantly captured and displayed in the terminal. This is how dangerous phishing attacks can be, especially when the fake page looks so real. So, how can you protect yourself? Always check the URL before typing your login details. Enable two-factor authentication on your Roblox account, so even if a password is stolen, hackers can't log in. Don't click on suspicious links from chats, emails, or messages. And use a password manager, since it won't autofill on fake pages. By staying informed about these tricks, you can avoid falling victim to attacks like this. Quick reminder before we wrap up, this video is solely for educational purposes. It does not hack or compromise any real Roblox accounts. Everything was done in a controlled environment for demonstration and awareness only. Hacking someone's account without permission is illegal and punishable by law. Stay ethical, stay informed, stay protected. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more cybersecurity and ethical hacking tutorials.